Sabha Saraswati Namaha. Hearty welcome to you all. Firstly, Happy Independence Day greeting to you. Jai Hind. And belated birthday wishes to Prince Ramavarma ji, whose birthday was just day before yesterday. So the celebration is continuing here. Long live Prince Ramavarma, long live his music. Today is a dream come true day for us, as we have always imagined, wished that our very favorite musicians perform here in our Kamalalayam, the Lotus Hall. So we see our dream come true right here, right now. Our deep gratitude and much love to our Prince Ramavarma, Sri Vinu and Sri Hari Kumar for today's evening, which will be a nectarious flow of music touching our hearts and souls. Here is a brief introduction of the awesome threesome, the top-notch musicians we have here. Vidwan Prince Ramavarma. Aswati Tirunal Ramavarma, better known as Prince Ramavarma, is an Indian classical musician and a member of the erstwhile royal family of Travancore. He is a Carnatic vocalist as well as an exponent of the Veena. He is also recognized as a music teacher, musicologist, writer, and orator. He has performed at concerts and conducted music workshops all over India and in several other countries, including USA, UK, Netherlands, France, UAE, Malaysia, and Singapore. YouTube videos of his concerts, classes, and lectures are popular among music lovers, music students, and professional musicians alike, and have exceeded 5 million views. This needs clapping. Ramavarma ji is recognized for his pioneering efforts to make classical music in its purest form, appealing to the masses by explaining the lyrics and background of every song during his concerts. His renditions are marked by purity of notes and clarity in enunciation of lyrics in all languages. Welcome, sir. We have Vidwan Avanishwaram S.R. Vinu on violin. He is an A top grade artist of the All India Radio and one of the most sought after violinists of Carnatic music today. He has captured the hearts of his listeners through his mellifluous tunes enriched with raga and bhava. Vinu's ability to seamlessly switch between vocal style and instrumental style makes his technique one of a kind. He had his early lessons from R. Tyagarajan and later went on to learn from Mysore M. Nagaraj. He has traveled extensively all over the world and performed with many leading musicians. Vinu has performed in various prestigious music festivals, including the Sacred Music Festival in France, Sydney Music Festival, and Swati Music Festival, Trivandrum. He was featured as an Indian Carnatic violinist in Musical Instrument Museum in Phoenix, Arizona, USA. Welcome, Vinuji. On Mridangam, we have Vidwan Sri B. Hari Kumar. Born in Chenganassery, Kerala, B. Hari Kumar was molded into the bani of late Mridangam Maestro, Sri Palakkad Mani Iyer, by his illustrious guru, Sri Mavilekara Velikutti Nayar. At the age of 7, he started his initial learning from late Sri Vajapalli Chellappa. Later, at the age of 11, through the Cultural Talent Scholarship, he was guided by Sri Kaitavana K. Madhavadas. After completing the post-graduation in Mridangam from Swati Tirunal Music College, he joined All India Radio Tiruchi in 1989 and is working as top-ranked staff artist. For more than 40 years, he has been accompanying masters of Carnatic music. He has accompanied top-ranking vocalists and instrumentalists for more than 45 years all over the world. Welcome, sir. Now I request Prince Ramavarma ji and Vinuji and Hari Kumar ji to light the lamp as the auspicious beginning. And I welcome Amrita Venkatesh also onto the dais. Yeah, please, please, it's an honor. Please come. And Sri Kuti, you also must join, please. No, please, you have come all the way from, Dubai. It is a privilege, please. Somebody invite me also.